గజం కేవలం 26,000 రూపాయలతో 165 గజాల భూమి కేవలం 52 లక్షలు మాత్రమే.
First Apex Council meeting at Delhi, attended by Shri K. Chandrasekhar Rao Garu, Chief Minister Telangana, Shri Harish Rao, Minister for Irrigation, Dr. S.K. Joshi, Special Chief Secretary, and Shri Vijay Prakash, ENC from Telangana. From Andhra side, Shri N. Chandrababu Naidu, CM Andhra Pradesh, Shri Devini Uma Maheshwar Rao, Akkada Irrigation Minister, Shri Shashi Bhushan Kumar, Secretary from Andhra Pradesh. Uma Bharati Garu, Kendra Mantri. Chief Minister of Telangana attended the meeting and stated that he is agreeing for the continuation of sharing of river water on the same ratio of 512 to 299. Harish Rao garu meeting attended. Okay. See, at least in the Apex Council, neither the Chief Minister nor the Irrigation Minister oppose the arrangement of 512 to 299. Speaker sir, why this is very significant is 10 years you have still maintained it. Ante neither in the secretary level nor the Irrigation Minister nor the Chief Minister asked for more water for Telangana. Okay, let's go to the next one. Okay, then sir, there was a KWT order passed that the Krishna water dispute will be between only AP and Telangana. Sir, you know, after the order, the Chief Minister wrote, he actually, the Honorable CM should have raised this issue after the first Apex Council meeting, instead of waiting till 2020. 4 years they waited. Telangana before KWDT2 under section 89 preliminaries should have limited the scope between two success states. Instead, it sailed with Andhra Pradesh and argued for involvement of all four riparian states, ante Maharashtra, Karnataka, Andhra Pradesh, Telangana, which was outrightly rejected by KWDT2 and Telangana lost 2 more years. Next. Now, అది మనమేమో సరే మనం అద్భుతంగా చేస్తున్నాం అనుకొని ఇరిగేషన్ ప్రాజెక్ట్ మీద ఎంత పబ్లిసిటీ చేసినంటే అసలు ఒక యావరేజ్ ఫార్మర్ ఆర్ యావరేజ్ సిటిజన్ అనుకుంటాడు గత ప్రభుత్వం ఇరిగేషన్ ప్రాజెక్ట్లో అద్భుతాలు చేసింది అనుకోవాలి. వాస్తవంగా ఈ 10 years లో ఇరిగేషన్ సెక్టర్లో జరిగిన అన్యాయం, అవినీతి బహుశా స్వతంత్ర భారతదేశంలో ఏ రాష్ట్రంలో ఎక్కడ జరిగి ఉండదు.